Good morning.
Already been cooked.
Yeah. Breakfast is cooked.
She didn't
Ready? I forgot to vlog it. I'm such a great vlogger.
before.
Yes. No, before, after. You know, I have priorities. I was busy doing something else.
What is it? What did you do?
Drinking my coffee, sitting around. I started the fire all by myself. Yes, brown rice, so healthy. Bagels, beans, bread, hot dog, bacon, and eggs. Oh yeah, healthy. Breakfast of champions. Good morning, Princess Belly. Good morning. On your couch, look at that. She got her own fancy couch. On her sleeping bag, all comfy. Must be nice. With her drink, must be nice. Right. Trying to finally leave the campground. It's already noon. We're gonna go try for a hike to the very far away waterfall. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go for a hike. But they're still there. You guys coming? No. It's taking a while. Finally on the road. Are you guys on the road? Temperance Falls. Let's go see how big those falls are. Let's go watch the dripping falls. Are you amazed how big it is?
I'm amazed by the.
Are you guys amazed by the falls? Are you guys amazed by the falls?
So big.
It's so humongous, huh?
Yeah.
Don't feel anything. Check out this tree. It's absolutely humongous. And it keeps going and going.
Oh my god.
Belly went for a walk. Hi Belly, you went for a walk, hi Belly. Ice cream. We got ice cream. And we made it back to our campsite. Campground over there.
Oh shoot, I think I did it the wrong way.
Oh, she's not videotaping you.
Well, I did it, but
The other way, she's doing it the wrong way. Last night, we're having hamburgers. Yes, we are. Our hamburger.
you know you're over here telling me
Best when barbecued over the charcoal.
This one,
The prep cook.
this is what
Tomatoes, lettuce, and fruits. We're having fruits. Burgers and chips. Of course, we're gonna make it healthy. Have some fruits. Oh yeah. Balanced meal. Yes, it is. Balanced meal. Good, good. Yummy, yummy.
Yep.
Burger time. Burger time.
Yummy in my
Yummy tummy. Yummy, yummy in your tummies.
tummy.
Light it up last night. So we're gonna light it up. Look how big our bonfire is.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Everybody. Alright, last morning. It's time to decamp. And now time to put stuff away. Okay. It didn't fit. It didn't fit. I have to redo it. It didn't fit. I have to redo it. This is our breakfast for our last day here before we go. Everything that's left over, we're gonna eat it. Let's see the udon. Udon.
Got it?
Oh yeah. Let's eat.